Gorgeous day. Let's open up a package. I already cut this one open, and it's pretty awesome. And what's in here? And it's something I've been thinking about buying for at least 3 years now, maybe 4, since way before. Actually, yeah, since before COVID, so probably 4 or 5 years now. Check this out. It is a 3D printed Killdozer. How cool is that? It's not exactly 100% authentic. I might be cutting off that chimney, the exhaust stack, and re-gluing it, because it's actually supposed to be at a 45-degree angle. So while it's not really, I don't know, it's not super important, but I might make it a little more accurate by tweaking some of the details. But look at this thing. It's Killdozer, even though Marvin Hemeyer never killed anybody. Purposefully avoided casualties at all costs. And that is absolutely factual. The narrative is much different, and you've been lied to about a lot of details. But anyway, pretty awesome. Now to detail this thing and paint it up.